Hello everyone, we are here today at Copper Creek Villas at Wilderness Lodge Resort to show you a one-bedroom villa. We have a fantastic view of the pool that we cannot wait to show you. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has plenty of room for everyone to spread out in here.
Now, this room that we got this time around is a little bit different. The layout is not quite the same as the typical one-bedroom villa you'd see at Copper Creek. That's going to happen here at Wilderness Lodge because Copper Creek was kind of retrofitted into the existing building, so you wind up with a few oddball rooms. Of course, everything's still here. It still sleeps 4. You've still got the full kitchen. It's great, and we love the room. It's just a slightly different layout.
Let's go check it out.
Here in the entry foyer, we do have a fun pattern there in the floor, almost like an entry rug. And directly in front of us, we actually have the laundry closet. So in here, you're going to find your stackable washer and dryer. And of course, they do have some laundry soap on there for you. They have those in all of the one-bedroom and larger villas here. And then over to the right is going to be your kitchen and living room area. And then back to the left is going to be your master bedroom and bathroom. We'll head that way in just a minute. So over here in the corner, we've got our fridge, and up above the fridge, there are a couple cabinets where you'll find your toaster and your ice bucket. So if you're looking for those, they're hiding up above the fridge there. Normally they would be in the pantry, but it's a little bit of a different layout here, like we said, so there's no pantry for that. We have our closet here where you'll find your extra pillow and blankets. You'll also find the laundry basket, your iron and ironing board, some storage space, and of course the in-room safe. And then your kitchen is that galley style kitchen that they have in all of the Copper Creek 1 and 2 bedrooms here. And you've got the cabinets that are fully stocked with pots and pans and dishes, plates, bowls, glasses, things like that. You also have appliances such as the microwave, the range there with the oven. You also have a full-size coffee maker and that toaster we already saw. You have a dishwasher here next to the sink, and we do have this nice under cabinet lighting here, which gives you plenty of light when you're in here cooking. We also have a fun piece of decor here wrapped around the kitchen, this steel that kind of harkens back to the railroad theme of Copper Creek and Boulder Ridge here. Now over to the left is our dining area. We've got a table with a bench and 3 chairs, so lots of seating here. Even though the room only sleeps 4 people, you've got a very large dining room table, and up above the dining room table they even have some USB outlets with the wall outlets there, knowing that people staying here in this room would probably like to have some USB outlets close to the bed. We've got a fun piece of art on the wall that is the different totem poles from the main lobby here in Wilderness Lodge. There's a really fun story behind each of those totems. It's really cool if you take a few minutes to read the plaques downstairs. And then here in the living room, there's a lot of lighting because they have extra lights up by the ceiling in addition to the lamps. One thing we really like about the rooms here is they've got plenty of light even when it's dark outside. A lot of times these rooms get pretty dark. This one stays pretty bright. We've got a dresser over here for those staying in the living room, as well as a huge flat screen TV there on the wall. Up above the dresser, there's some USB outlets built into the wall with the wall outlets. And we've got a desk over here in the corner with just a little stool there. It's got a couple more of those wall outlets and USB outlets built into it. You've got a lamp with the rock on there. You also have a mirror up above the desk. And then on the other side of the living room, you'll have your chair and your couch, which pulls out into a queen size bed. This coffee table is actually storage as well. It's got a hinge on it and you can just open it up. Lots of storage in there, and it's on wheels so you can roll it out of the way when you pull out that bed. We have a lamp there with an end table. And on the end table, you can see not so hidden Mickey there on the corner. And then we have this sliding door that leads out to our balcony. And as we said, the view is a great view for this room in particular. There is no bookable view category here at Copper Creek. You just kind of get what you get. You can always request something and they'll do their best to accommodate. But we're over here by the pool. We've got a good sized balcony here with a couple chairs and little tables. And then on the far side over there by the master bedroom, the balcony just extends. We've got some more tables and chairs. And we've got a great view here of the pool and the rest of the resort. It gets a little bit noisy here during the middle of the day when they have the poolside activities. Just something to be aware of if you are going to be back here at the resort, maybe with the kids taking a nap or something like that. Now heading down the hallway area, this is where it's a lot different over here as well from the normal 1-bedroom villas here. We've got a little built-in here on the wall with some storage cubbies and drawers down below, as well as a little coat rack there. On the right is the master bedroom, but over here on the left is the bathroom. Now this is a two-part bathroom shared with the master, and of course there's a regular door here on this side. We've got a very, very large single vanity here, lots and lots of counter space, storage down below, and a little shelf up above as well, in addition to the huge mirror that spans the entire thing. So a lot of space here in this bathroom. We've got our toilet over here as well as our walk-in shower. And the walk-in shower here does have pretty good size in there. We've got a detachable shower head and a rainforest style shower head. And we also have those little individual shampoo, conditioner, and body wash at this time. And then the other half of the bathroom is separated by this pocket door, so you can close off the master half. And over here we've got another single vanity, much smaller this time as far as the countertop, and a little bit of storage down below. You do also have another makeup mirror in here, so you've got that. And then you have your jetted tub, again with those individual shampoo, conditioner, and body wash if you need them. And the tub has the little jets down on the bottom. Not quite the same as the jacuzzi tubs, but it is really nice. And then we have this piece of stone, if you will, that's here on the wall. It's kind of semi-transparent. It glows at night if you leave the lights here in the bathroom on, so that's pretty cool. And then we have a pocket door that separates this half of the bathroom from the master over here. Now here in the master, there is some art on the wall right behind the door there, and it looks like the salmon run from Brother Bear, as well as one of the moose from Brother Bear, Rut and Took. I'm not sure which one that one is. And we also have a pass from the Carrollwood Pacific Railroad, which was the railroad Walt had in his backyard. So fun little pieces there to tie into Disney here in this resort. On this half of the room, we've got a flat screen TV, we've got a big dresser there, and we also have a wardrobe that we'll show you in just a minute. And then the bed in here is a king size bed. It is raised up off the ground, so you've got storage underneath for your luggage, and it has a huge headboard on it. One giant piece of wood there. On either side, you've got a nightstand, and above there is a set of USB outlets as well as wall outlets. And you've got a few lamps and also lights up above the bed. So again, very well lit here in this room. Now the wardrobe over here does have a small amount of closet space as far as hanging items. And then you have a few shelves in there as well as a drawer down below. So a little bit more storage space in here in addition to the closet in the main part of the room. And then the door here that leads us out to the balcony that we saw just a moment ago overlooking the pool. Now we're going to head back into the living room really quickly and show you the couch pulled out into the queen. Alyssa's come in here and pulled the bed out for us so you can see the queen size bed pulled out. It does take up a lot of the space here in the living room, but even with that pulled out, I feel like you can still get around in here. It's not too bad, especially since you're only able to have 4 people staying in this room. And the mattress is a decent mattress. It's not super thick, but it's the memory foam. It's definitely better than some of the other resorts that may have the older style sofa beds. So it is a decent bed here. And that's going to conclude our tour of this 1-bedroom villa here at Copper Creek Villas at Wilderness Lodge.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a like and comment with any questions you have about this room or Copper Creek in general. Of course, subscribe to the channel so you know we have even more videos come out.
And if you'd like more information on this resort or the other Walt Disney World resorts, head over to herewiththeears.com. We'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.